Good morning, crawlers. Welcome back to another video. Today is our day 2 of our Colorado trip, and today it sounds like we're going to be going over Imogene Pass. We're just driving down the valley here, down to Telluride from our campsite, and I was just looking out over the valley, and there's just so many little cottages and homes that, you know, they're tucked up into the trees there. So I guess this is the beginning of the Imogene Pass. We're just kind of lined up here in town in Telluride, and we're in between houses. There's this little road that goes up along the side of the mountain, and I'm guessing that's the beginning of the trail. I've only been climbing for about 5 minutes, and we're already way up above the town we just drove through. This is a better view from the edge of the cliff, or edge of the trail here. You can see the town down below, and we have a ways to go still. Driving right past this waterfall. Don't look on the other side because there's not much there.
Jensen, we've got a big truck coming down if you can find a place.
You guys, these roads are insane. Absolutely insane. This is a whole different type of jeeping, you know? The road itself is not really technical. Pretty much any stock vehicle could do this. Obviously, if you fall off the edge over here, it's game over. Stopped here at this old mine site just to get out and get a look around. I've said it before, what a view, huh? What a view. Just looking through the wreckage here, you can see, you know, the remains of an old mining structure, but there's still lots of metal siding, steel cables, piping right here. Looks like rebar reinforcements right there. Tons of nails and bolts still in place. Really interesting. Big old bolt ran through all of these pieces of wood here, holding it together. They're a little rusted now. See the foundations of old structures. You can see what was left of buildings and pieces left behind. it up past that village, past the tree line. I guess I better get back in my vehicle here soon, but you can just see behind me there the trail that we're taking up the mountain, up across the pass. Pretty cool. Well, Dave and I just finished up helping out that group with the Razor and four-wheelers.
Let's cut this off.
I think what we had to do was take their tires off, take the spindles out, separate the axle.
So they're constantly lubricated. Look at that!
One hit! And put the stub end back into the back side of the spindle so that we could bolt the tire back on. And so now they're going down with front wheel drive only, but they're going downhill, so that should work out okay. There's something that was seized up in the rear differential, and it just, the rear tires weren't spinning, so we just had to separate the drive lines there. We probably spent, you know, at least an hour there, maybe more. The rest of the group went up ahead of us, so we're just trying to catch up. Holy shit, dude!
You know, this is the coolest thing.
Well, we are at the top of Imogene. Well, we're at the top of Imogene Pass. Holy smokes, what a crazy, amazing view. It'd be scary even up here though, I bet.
Yeah.
To watch that landslide?
Yeah.
So there's this ledge right here we're all taking turns driving out onto. And as you can see, it's a long ways down, so you definitely don't want to go off the end. It's a little nerve-wracking getting out there. I don't blame them. If you look closely, right up there you can see the blue Toyota on the ledge we were just on. See right here in the saddle, this whole ledge right here fell off and crumpled down. This whole thing is just all off of the side of the mountain there. That would have been quite a sight to see. pretty much sums up day 2. Got back to camp, just kind of sitting back and relaxing, enjoying the weather. Before I go, maybe I'll just show you around camp real quick. So this is a trailer I borrowed from a friend of mine. Really good friend let me take his trailer and tent. That's pretty cool of him. The trailer's got batteries inside. I'm charging my radio. I've got some extra propane storage inside the box, and then this has the iCamper tent on top. I'll show you in here real quick. Whoops. So that's where I'm sleeping. It's got a cool skylight option up there. That's pretty sweet. It's nice to be up off the ground. It's nice and warm. Isn't this awesome? Up in the trees, away from the heat. The smoke is finally starting to dissipate, but really didn't have a lot of smoke today. Yesterday there was still quite a bit of smoke from the California fires. Behind me over here, some of the other folks over there. Dave's up this way, and then behind me right over here is Adam's spot. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video this week. That was a pretty killer drive over that mountain today. I couldn't believe it. Sounds like we're going to do the Alpine Loop, so stay tuned for that. That'll be pretty cool. I think for now, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to go eat a few snacks and probably go to bed. Appreciate you guys watching, as always. Love having you on the Red Rock Crawler team, so hit that sub button and stay tuned for more videos. See you on the trail.